Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. We have successfully completed 6th chapter of Business Studies of class 12 BSP, and we have also finished some function of management, that is planning, organizing, staffing. Today we are starting with one of the most important function of management, that is directing, which you are seeing on my whiteboard. So today we will only discuss is introduction, its meaning and its features. So starting with directing function of a management is concerned with the instructing, guiding, inspiring and motivating the employees. There are 4 keywords in this definition: instructing, guiding, inspiring and motivating the employees, so that their efforts result in achievement of the institutional goal. Directing is telling people what to do and seeing that they are doing in their best ability. Direction is a complex function that includes all those activities which are designed to encourage subordinate to work effectively and efficiently. Directing deals with the steps a manager takes to get subordinate and others to carry out the plans. Now, what are the features or characteristics of directing? Basically, there are 6 features of directing, starting with directing initiates action. Other function prepares a base for setting of action, that is how action has to be carried on. But directing initiate or start action. By giving direction or instruction, the manager get work started in the institution. Second feature of directing is continuing function. Directing is continuous ongoing process. A manager cannot just rest after issuing orders and instruction. He has to just continuously guide, supervise and motivate his subordinate. Third is directing take place at every level. Directing is a pervasive function, and as it is performed by the manager at all levels in all locations, every manager has to supervise, guide, motivate and communicate with the subordinates to get things done. However, the time spent in the directing is comparatively more at operational level of management. Directing takes place wherever superior subordinate relationship exists. Directing flows from top to bottom. Direction are given by the manager to their subordinate. Every manager can direct his immediate subordinate and take direction from the immediate boss. Fifth, performance oriented. Directing is a performance oriented function. The main motive of directing is bringing efficiency in the performance. Directing converts plan into performance. Performance is the essence of directing. Directing function directs the performance of individual towards the achievement of the organizational goal. Now the last is human elements. Directing function involves the study and modeling of human behavior. It improves interpersonal intergroup relationship. It motivates employees to work with their best ability. After the staffing function, the right person is placed at the right position in the institution. But actual work begins only when these persons get instruction from their superior or bosses. Directing does not mean only instructions, but it also includes supervising the employees when they are performing the task. When they are performing the job, motivating them to perform for more efficiently and leading them towards the achievement of institutional goal. So, as just I have discussed 6 features, I once again state that directing initiates the action. Directing is a continuing or ongoing or never-ending function, because your senior will always keep on you giving instructions and orders. Then comes directing take place at every level, because you have to motivate your employees. Directing always flows from top to bottom. This means direction are given by your superior or your boss to their subordinate. Performance oriented. Communication with employees and discussion about their problems and their queries. Human element. Directing function involves study and modeling of human behavior. It improves interpersonal and intergroup relationship. It motivates people to work with their best ability. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.